Here's an ear pulling demo that you can do at your desk, in between meetings. If you just need a quick reset, you can leave your elbows on your desk so you're supported. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab your ears like this. Not like this with the finger, but really with your whole finger squeezing it. So I'm going to hold the ear, and then you just slowly let your head drop down while you're holding your ears. You can adjust where you're grabbing. So right now I'm not feeling it quite right, so I'm gonna grab a little bit higher on my ear, and oh yes. So when you grab a little higher and you drop your face, see how my face is pointing downwards? I can feel it pull into the fascia of my face as if I'm getting a facelift. And you can just stay here and do a few deep breathing. And if you're slipping, you can just re-grab and play with the angle. I like to lean my elbows instead of lifting, pulling my ear where, I'm engaging more of my other muscles. By just dropping my head, I can just really take a moment to just release and let go. So if you carry a lot of tension in your face, which some of us do, this should feel very relaxing and releasing. You really want to just play around, right? By holding your ear like that, you're effectively pulling your ear backwards and up. So you can see how it pulls my face as I pull it back, and this really helps release the tension. Something else you can do, if you don't like your ears pulled, you can just massage, like rub it. Rub your ears, rub it all around. As you massage and you squeeze it, you also do a light tug. And see if you like your ears tug. Some people don't. Some people hate their ears tug, and that's fine. And after you're done, make sure you just stand up a little, move around, just do some swaying to rebalance things, to let it integrate. Another way of doing ear pulling is something I learned from the Human Garage, where you grab the top of the ear with one hand, bottom with the other, and you want to twist it bottom up, top down, and you move left to right, look up. Make sure you breathe when you do these fascial pulls. Grab the top, grab the bottom, twist. So the bottom goes up, you're twisting bottom up, and top back. Or sometimes I'll just sit on the floor and lean over the couch, grab the ear, and just, again, I just let myself, I just release my head. So right now I am holding my ear and my face is relatively straight. So the pulling is now just an upwards pull. Feeling is it's pulling here. It's pulling more like the jaw. And if I start tilting my head forward, let me re-grab my ear more from the top. If I start dropping my face down, now it's releasing a lot of tensions that are in my face. And I can feel the pull all the way to the bridge of my nose. Make sure you breathe. Slow, deep breaths. You can even sound it out. Slowly come out of it. And now you're ready to move on to the next thing. And so just a minute or two of this really drops you down. So if you're feeling very stressed in a day, if you're feeling scattered, this is a really great 1 to 2 minute reset. And then it brings you back in your body. It got you to breathe a little, and then just stand up, just walk around a little, and you can resume your day. If you want to understand what this is actually doing in your body, watch the video on ear pulling for stress relief. Subscribe for more and join the weekly newsletter at ownyourbecoming.com/newsletter.